If your home has been impacted by severe weather or you have noticed a leak in your home, the following video may be helpful if you need a full roof replacement or repair. This can be helpful if you're unsure of what decision to make. Today we're going to be talking about a full roof replacement from Hoel Roofing and Remodeling. This is when we rip off the whole entire roof and replace it with new shingles or metal, whichever you decide. This starts out with a detailed estimate from our project managers. This has an overview of the components that will be put on your roof the day of the install. On the day of the install, our crew and site supervisor will show up at the scheduled time and then properly prepare your home for the roof replacement. This involves putting tarps down around the landscaping and making sure everything is ready to go before they start removing the old roof. Once the old roof is removed, they will inspect the decking. This is what the shingles are installed to. They will make sure that there is no rot or wear and tear on this to make sure that it is durable enough to nail the shingles into. Once the decking is properly inspected, they will start installing the proper components for your roof. This includes ice and water, synthetic underlayment, and starter shingles. Once they have all these installed, they will start applying their gutter apron and their drip edge to the roof. Once that is done, then they will start laying the shingles. It takes typically 2 to 3 weeks to complete a job. This includes when the estimate is signed and the down payment is collected for the job, and then once it is scheduled and material is ordered, from this point to the end, it takes generally 2 to 3 weeks. But this can change depending on how big the roof is, the weather in our area, and also if we have to order a specialty shingle or metal. Some signs that you are a good candidate for a full roof replacement. If you have it inspected and your roof is at the end of its life and needs some TLC, that would be a good time to look into getting a full roof replacement. Also, if you notice any missing shingles, wind damage, or leaks, this could potentially be a reason to get a full roof replacement. For an average home size in central Indiana, the average cost for a shingled roof replacement is between $8,000 and $10,000. For a metal roof replacement, it is between $10,000 to $14,000. If this sounds like something you're looking for your home, call Hoel Roofing and Remodeling at 765-561-4023.